Belmar Beach in New Jersey, right along the Jersey Shore, the AVP Crocs Tour, the Belmar Open presented by Bud Light.
It is time to get busy.
I think we're gonna do all right. We got surfed up.
All that work in the off season paid off, huh? Yes, sir. We put in a lot of time, and we knew it was going to come down to these finals, and here we are. We're ready to go.
Belmar's on their feet and ready to cash the big check. Long to serve for the game and the match. Lucena caught the tape, no touch, and that's it. Olsen and Wong win it at Belmar.
And again, Belmar, thank you. I'm never going to forget this.
After 3 days of play, where are we? We got the top 2 seeds. Number 1 seed, Annette Davis and Jenny Johnson-Jordan. No team has played together as long or as much as those two. And the number 2 seed, Carrie Dodd and Tatiana Manello. They've been in the Final Four 2 out of the last 3. Cross court, great get! Oh, how about the effort by Triple J, Jenny Johnson-Jordan? Played 2, we will play 1 for the big check. That'll bring them to their feet as it brings us to game championship point. Annette Davis to serve. They got a big cushion here with a 4-point lead. And that'll do it! A ace to close